Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly glam. Today I want to share with you a very easy DIY clay mask with aloe vera gel. This mask is amazing because all the ingredients that are in this mask, they have a lot of vitamins, minerals, and all the components that are really great for your skin, that will make the skin beautiful, glowing, and healthy. In my recipe, I will use blue clay, but if you have another clay, you can use any clay that you like. I like blue clay because blue clay shrinks the pores, tightens the skin, and fights fine lines and wrinkles. Has good anti-aging properties. Apply this mask once or twice per week and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Don't forget your neck and decolletage area. The effect will be amazing. If you like the video, consider subscribing to my channel, clicking on the red button below this video and the notification bell as well, so you will get notified every single time when I post new video on my channel. And I thank you for watching, thank you for staying with me. Have a nice day everyone, and I will see you next time.